Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankush, and today I have a very good question. And this is the scenario based and interview question. This is ask so many companies nowadays, like how do you handle null value, or they can ask the different way, like how do you handle and display result when there are no sales record, but they want zero instead of blank or null. So they will give you like drag category and subcategory and sales in the text table. So they will like it will come up with you like wherever is a sales in the category and subcategory, it will show the sale, but there is a no sales in a particular subcategory. You can see blank. Now you can see front of you the lots of fields are coming blank because there is no sales. Okay, if you see like subcategory as sales, we don't have sales in furniture, appliance, and art, but we do have sales in appliances, art, and binders for office supply. And same goes for technology. We have sales for the accessories, but we don't have sales for appliances, art, and binders. So instead of coming blank, they wanted to see its populate as zero. How can we do this? So that some of the people think this is very easy. Like some of you people think, let's say this is very easy. We can say like this is we can handle it like the Zn function. So we can say Zn sum of sales. Let me show you quickly. So let's drag it. Okay. So if you see, Zn will give you the exact sales, but it not will give you the zero, because to understand first, like no sales or nulls are the different one. These are the no sales. Zn will duplicate or replicate the nulls value into the zero. If there is a no sale in a particular combination, like combination mean as series and finance furniture, we have records, but we have nulls value. That Zn function will work because it will convert it in null value to the null value into the zero. But here in this case, we don't have any records in the particular combination. So how can we do this? This is kind of a very challenging question, and sometimes it's very easy. You need to understand how can we do this. So let me show you how can we do this. And if you know the answer, just pause this video here and comment down the video description. I would like to see your the uh, approach. Okay, so I'll say uh, if is null, lookup sum of sales 0, then 0, else sum of sales and. Okay, so let it be calculation 2. Let's track this. Okay, so if you see okay, okay, if you see my the calculation 2 will return 0, whereas a no records. Okay, so my calculation 2 will give you the 0, whereas a no records, and wherever is the like sales and matching, it give the exact value of that. So if you see the technology, we have the original value 167380. My lookup function also gives you 167380, but it also gives you the 0, whereas a no sales. Okay, so this is lookup is offset value fetching from the previous value. Okay, so I'm forcefully saying a Tableau, hey hi, this is my is null and lookup sum of sales 0, then 0. I'm saying Tableau, okay, if there is a no records or no sales, then give me 0. Otherwise, if sales is there, then give me my sales, the as it is value. Okay, let me remove this sum of cells. Now you can see this. We have the zero, where is a null value or no records, where is a value. We are getting the sales, the exact value. Nothing is changed here. Yeah. So you can like see, or you can give this answer in that manner way. Okay. So this is how we can solve this question using lookup function. So Zn function will not work here because we don't have any record in particular categories of category. The combination, okay, is null also won't work here because we don't have any value in records. So lookup and original function that will work only. This is the case. Okay. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this.